Okay, so this video is going to be quite different, like not my regular video. So in this video, I'll talk about how you can skip that lock screen on your iPhone. So for example, you have some issues like iPhone unavailable, forgotten password, or disabled iPhone. Obviously, some quite normal kind of issues you face with your iPhone, with your iOS. We have the fix available in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So as you can see, iPhone is unavailable. In this case, I'm not able to do anything on my iPhone. As you can see, if you can dial, you can only dial emergency services and nothing much. It's unavailable, so you cannot even access anything, not a single thing. You tried anything, I mean to say you tried almost everything on your phone. You have connected your device to PC or maybe tried doing anything else. In this case, it is not doing anything. And if you try to fill password again and again, the timer will be increased in this case. For example, this is what we got. This is the screen which we are getting, and because this is unavailable, so that simply means we cannot use that for any work. It's kind of unusable. And because we have this iPhone, we need a lot of things to do in this single phone. We cannot actually avoid this kind of things. We have to fix this thing for sure. So for example, if I try to fill password, because I don't know that, obviously, because if you know that, you can simply fix that very easily. We don't know, and many times as I put the password here, it will take few more times. Basically, the time will be increased on that iPhone unavailable screen. As you can see, I can access some of the things, but if we have that iPhone unavailable there, we cannot do anything. We have the solution available. Make sure to watch this video till the end. This was about the introduction regarding, and as you can see, iPhone unavailable. So previously we got 1 minute, then we got 5 minutes, and the timer will increase and again and again. So I've connected my device to PC. That comes the main thing. By default, you cannot do anything by connecting my device to PC. But the main thing is, depending on whichever PC you have, maybe you have Windows PC. Obviously, make sure you have Windows PC. I mean to say, maybe you have that a laptop, you have a desktop. Connect your device and then simply turn it off. How you can press the volume up, then press volume down, and then hold down the power key. It will turn off your device, and keep holding that power key for a few more seconds. Let me show you. As you can see, we are not holding any other key, not volume down, volume up, etc. I'm still keep holding that that power key to make it to boot into recovery mode. It is on that logo, that iOS logo, that Apple logo is here, but still I'm still holding that power key. It will take few more seconds and my device will be booted into this recovery mode. And as you can see, it is now detected to that software. The software I just talked about the start of the video. The device is connected. As you can see, it's now connected, so it will take few seconds to recover this thing. For example, what it will do is it will install the latest firmware on this device. How it will work, as you can see, it is removing that screen lock. As you can see, that's the main point, that's the main thing. Remember one thing, this is a process which will take some time. You have to be patient, because if you disconnect your device in between this process, you might get some more issues, you might get into trouble. So it will be restarted, your device will be restarted several times. It's a normal process you face. So as you can see, it will take some time, as I just told you. So make sure to keep this thing in your mind and don't disconnect your device at all. Make sure your laptop or computer is plugged in, laptop is charged enough, because if the process decline or if the process has some issues, you might face some more issues for sure. As you can see, it is taking some time, and after a few seconds, after a few minutes, you can say, it will be done. Your iPhone will be restored into normal state and you will be able to use your iPhone without any issues. Wait for a few seconds, and after that, that is it. As you can see, this is our iPhone working well without any issues. I did not have any password available, but with the help of that software I was talking about at the start of the video, this is the main motive of using this one. So you can fix these kind of issues normally on your phone. For example, click on start option. This is the process I'm showing you. Click on download. It will download the latest software for that particular iPhone. Depending on whichever iPhone you have, it should work for almost any of your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds and done. You are good to go. We are talking about the software named as Gbyte Unlock. Link for everything, these kind of things, is already available in the description. Go and check that out. And if you need some amazing things or some more things regarding this one, make sure to comment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next one.